Think you know everything about humanity's greatest space missions? From landing on the moon to exploring the edges of the solar system. These stories have redefined what's possible. But here is the challenge: how much do you really know? Let's find out in this ultimate space mission quiz. Get ready for 50 exciting questions designed to test your cosmic IQ. Whether you are a space nerd or just curious about it, this quiz is for you. Here is how it works. We will ask a question, give you 3 possible answers, and you will have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. After that, we will reveal the answer. Make sure to keep track of your score and let us know how you did in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's launch into question 1. What was the name of the first human-made satellite? Which space mission landed the first humans on the moon? What was the first rover to operate on Mars? Which was the first mission to fly by Pluto? Which mission discovered the first exoplanets? What was the name of the first space station? Which mission was the first to take humans into space? What was the first successful mission to land on Venus? Which mission carried the first woman to space? What was the name of the rover that discovered evidence of past water on Mars? Which mission was the first to orbit Jupiter? What was the name of the spacecraft that explored Saturn and its moons? What mission studied the Sun by orbiting it directly? What was the first mission to successfully land on Mars? What was the name of the first reusable spacecraft? What was the first mission to visit all 4 giant planets? Which mission discovered the rings of Uranus? What was the first mission to land on a comet? Which mission was the first to send back images of the far side of the moon? What was the name of the first American manned space mission? Which mission mapped the surface of Venus using radar? Which mission captured the famous pale blue dot photograph? Which space station succeeded the Mir station? What was the first interstellar probe? Which spacecraft brought back the first asteroid samples? What was the name of the mission that sent the first African American woman to space? Which mission discovered geysers on Saturn's moon Enceladus? What was the first spacecraft to visit Neptune? Which mission was the first to orbit an asteroid? Which mission brought the first images of Titan's surface? What was the name of the first private spacecraft to dock with the ISS? What was the first spacecraft to visit Neptune? Which mission discovered the Kuiper Belt object Arrokoth? What was the name of the Indian mission that discovered water on the moon? Which mission was the first to photograph Earth from space? Which space observatory revolutionized our understanding of black holes? What was NASA's mission to study Jupiter's atmosphere by direct entry? Which mission first returned images of the entire Earth from space? What was the name of the European Space Agency's Mars orbiter? Which mission explored the asteroid Vesta and dwarf planet Ceres? What was the name of the first Japanese mission to the moon? What was the first spacecraft to land on Mars and send back data? Which mission is focused on studying Europa's habitability? What was the first Indian mission to Mars? Which mission is the largest space telescope currently operational? Which mission aims to deflect asteroids? What was the first commercial spacecraft to carry astronauts to the ISS? Which Soviet spacecraft performed the first soft landing on the moon? Which mission is designed to study Mars' interior? Which mission brought back samples from the moon in 2020? That's the end of our space mission quiz. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below, and don't forget to challenge your friends to see if they can beat your cosmic knowledge. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Unlocking Spacetime, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next journey through the cosmos. For more quizzes and exciting space content, check out our playlist. See you next time and keep reaching for the stars.